Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and installing an inside door handle on a 2008 Subaru Outback. Now we're going to take this driver's rear door panel off. We're going to start by pulling this panel off. Take a flat blade tool. There we go. There's 3 clips right there. Hold it on. Next, we're going to pull this one off. You're going to pry it down a little bit. There's a little tab right there. And then it pulls out straight and up. Next, we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to pull these 3 screws out. Start with this bottom one. Pull this last screw out. Next, we're going to use some of our trim tools. We sell these at 1aauto.com. I'm going to grab it from the inside. And there's push pins. So we're going to push it, use the trim tools to pry the push pins out. Pull up on the door panel. Next, we're going to disconnect this connector. This is a little push lock. Push down on the lock and it pulls right out. And disconnect the cables that go to the inner door latch and lock. So there's a cover right here. You're going to pull up on the cover. We're going to grab the lower cable and pull it out. Twist and pull that ball out. We're going to do the same for the other. Twist and pull that ball out. Now the door panel's ready to just come off. Alright, to pull this door handle up, we're going to take these 3 Phillips head screws out. Oh, that screws down in there. I'm just going to push up from the front. It pulls right up. We're going to install this driver's inside door handle. Just line up the screw holes. Put the Phillips head screws in. Now we're going to reinstall. We're going to start with the cables. You're going to start with the small one. This one's actually the lock. Get that ball in and then through the slot. And we're going to slide that down the slot. And we're going to take this other ball. This is for the handle part. Put it in that hole. And slide this down that slot. Sometimes you gotta wiggle it a little bit. There you go. And you can put the cover down. Next, we're gonna take that connector for the window switch, and we're gonna slide it in, lock it in. You're gonna slide this groove up top near the window first. push down, and line these clips in. Give it a little push. Next we're going to insert these Phillips head screws with our Phillips head screwdriver. Next one. And the last one. Next we're going to put this trim piece on. Line it up down below. Just push. Next we're going to install this trim piece. Get it lined up. And push so it locks in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.